welcome back to another edition of Legal Tip Tuesday. Your host, Vince Quatrini from the law firm of Quatrini Rafferty, here today to talk about the subject of heat kills. Yes, heat in the workplace is a known killer of workers. Serious stuff. And right now, as we go through these heat waves around the country, let's all take a moment and reflect on what we need to do to protect workers from this awful heat wave. Only several states in the United States, California, Minnesota, and Colorado, have heat protections in the law for the workplace. That leaves 47 states that haven't addressed it. Hopefully our state legislatures will soon do that, and I ask you to speak up with your legislator and ask that they consider protections for the worker during heat waves. What do we need to do? Well, of course, those of us who are fortunate enough to work inside with air conditioning don't have to worry about the temperature exceeding 100 or even higher. So, some thoughts to protect your fellow workers and yourself. 1, take water breaks regularly. Make sure that that water remains cold and not lost to the heat and gets warm. 2, take breaks as much as you can. And 3, find shelter for those breaks. Just stopping in the middle of the heat wave and sitting down isn't enough. You have to get out of the heat. You got to get your body temperature down so that you don't have an adverse heart reaction, stroke reaction, and that's the only way to do it. Work together. Team up with your co-employees. Ask your bosses to recognize that you just can't push through this awful heat. You know, the quotas that are being placed on some workers who work outdoors just can't remain during these very high temperatures. So, in summary, let's remember that our fellow workers outside are in this heat all day long. Try to start early. Take a break during the middle and work maybe in the evening so that you're not out there with these very high, dangerous temperatures. Heat does kill, and we have to remember that every day. So for Quatrini Rafferty, this is Vince Quatrini with another version of Legal Tip Tuesday. Thanks for listening.